Hi ladies, welcome to the Glam Squad. If you're new here, my name is Claudine, aka Glamrocs. I am a makeup artist in the South Florida area. I created this channel for women over 40 who is taking care of themselves, who are getting into makeup, or just want to find a tribe where you're over 40, but you're not letting yourself go. We're not hitting the wall like they say, okay? So this is your tribe. Please like and subscribe and join the Glam Squad. I just want to commit to create a community where women over 40 who like to put themselves together. Hey girl, hey, so let's get right into this video. So first, I did extensive research on the edge control that had no alcohol. I sometimes use this from the beauty supply, but I have found She Is Bomb has no alcohol because baby, we got to save our edges. I sometimes use Got To Be glue, but She Is Bomb has no alcohol. So let's get into it. First thing that I do is I use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Niamaside Dewdrops. Remember, everything I do, I wanted to have some sort of skincare in there. And Niamaside helps with the brightening and glow of your skin. I've been using this for a few months. I also have the small travel case, so when I travel, and I just make sure that I put that all over my face and all over my skin. Skincare is one of my favorite things to do. Next, I'm gonna do my moisturizer, which is Pond's Crema S 24-hour moisturizer. Y'all, this is small, but it's an amazing moisturizer, and I use this on my clients. Now I'm just patting that in, making sure that all that is getting drenched into my skin. Don't forget your neck. Now I'm going to go into my primer. I'm using my Essence Hydro Hero Primer 48-hour hydrating with hyaluronic acid and cucumber extract. Again, everything I use on my skin have to help. Have to have some sort of skincare to help my skin. And also, I'll be using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niamaside. Again, everything I use has to help with my skin. This has such a very, I don't know how to explain it. It's very tacky, but not too tacky. And also, it has skincare. It helps with brightening up your skin and keeping your skin moisturized. Now, because I am not using foundation, I find that using both of these primers tend to help the powder that I am about to use. Now, you can go out looking like this. Your skin looks glowy. It looks beautiful. Listen, if you want to go out like this, you can. But I put on the primer too because it's a barrier. I'm not using foundation, but I still wear a primer. Next thing I am going to do is I am going to just dry that down a little bit. And as you can see, I have some discolorations. I'm going to use my Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in 61P. This I love. I love, I love, I love. Put some under my eyes. I am going to let that dry down a little bit, and I'm going to use the fan. But if you haven't tried this concealer, Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer, you need to. Find your shade, baby. This gives me a lot of coverage on my clients. Again, my color is 61P. And I am just going to press that out. Do y'all see that coverage? I love it. Going under my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC NW48 powder Studio Fix, and I'm going to put that on the outer perimeter of my face. Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitask and Bake Face Powder in number 58, which is called Almond. And that's going to give me a little bit more brightness in the center of my face because I have like 5 different skin tones to me on my face. So I love this powder. It is very smooth. And compared to the more expensive powders that I'll pay $50 for, this was, I think, 20 something dollars. Don't hold me to it. I just know it was less than the $50 powder, and it's amazing. Look how I just got a full face, y'all. I just got a full face, ladies, without using foundation. Very breathable. Look how natural that looks. Very natural, very breathable without using any foundation. Now I'm going to go in with a mascara. Remember the 3 things that I told you guys on my last video. You don't have to do none of this that I'm doing on your face, other than moisturizing your face, making sure that your brows are groomed, making sure that you have a jet black or black mascara that is waterproof. I'm using Essence right now from Ulta. I've been loving Essence. I use that, and make sure that your lips are definitely moisturized, not cracky, not ashy. You don't have to do all that I'm doing. I'm just saying for the women that like to just look like you got a full face of makeup or look like you're put together, you can actually do this. If you don't want to, just make sure that you do those 3 things that I mentioned that are essential. Now I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Malt, and I'm going to outline my lips. I'm going to use my Essence lipstick in number 11, Amazing. And to top that off, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Isis Lip Gloss. And I love that. And this is like my pinkish nudish lip combo that I always do. I either go red or nude, any shade of nude. And I love it. Everything that I'm using right now is drugstore friendly. Mostly the most expensive thing that I used today was the MAC powder. Now I'm going to do my lashes, and I'm using the Duo Glue. Super adhesive, clear. And I bought these lashes from, where? Burlington. Listen, I go to Burlington, I go anywhere. If I like the lashes, I buy them because I always have to have lashes. Even though I buy lashes in a bulk from, China for my clients, I love buying lashes. It's just my thing. So basically, I put the lash on close to my eyelid. Then I put some on the lash band. I let it get tacky a little bit. I'm using my fan also. And I put it down in the middle. I adjust the back, I adjust the front. And I just keep adjusting and pressing down until I like it. Yeah, look at my skin. It looks so beautiful. So basically, ladies, this is how I get a full face of makeup with no foundation that looks flawless, that looks like I put myself together, looks like I took time to put myself together. All drugstore friendly. You can find everything that I mentioned at the Ulta or any beauty supply or drugstore. On my side, I gotta have skincare in my makeup. Like and subscribe.